Hello everyone, welcome to the online video presentation. I am Sharif from Joy of Learning. Today I am going to present you a video on paragraph writing. This will help you to understand about what a paragraph, what should be the contents of the paragraph. Hope you will enjoy this short video presentation.
Let us now try to understand what is a paragraph. We can define it as a series of sentences organized in a systematic or structured order. A paragraph will contain a series of sentences which support or extend the topic or theme being discussed or presented in that paragraph. Then let us try to understand types of paragraphs. In general, there are four types of paragraphs. They are descriptive paragraph, narrative paragraph, expository paragraph, and persuasive paragraph. However, in addition to this, there is another type of paragraph called as literary paragraph. Let's now try to understand about the characteristics of each of these paragraphs. Descriptive paragraphs give a rich description of the subject in the paragraph. The words chosen make us feel the five senses: the touch, smell, sight, sound, and taste. Descriptive paragraphs can be artistic and, in some cases, may deviate from the grammatical norms. Narrative paragraph. As the title says, it is narrative in nature. A narrative paragraph brings about a scene or event. This type of paragraph includes a sequence of action, or there is a clear beginning, middle, and end. Expository paragraph. An expository paragraph contains explanation about the subject being discussed in the paragraph. Expository paragraphs provide information. It describes a process and moves the reader step by step through a method, usually seen in research works or analytical ones. The persuasive paragraph. Persuasive paragraphs try to convince the reader. This type of paragraph tries to get the reader to accept a particular point of view or understand the writer's position. It often requires the collection of facts and research. The literary paragraph. Literary paragraphs are paragraphs written about literature. This is an analytical examination of a poem, story, novel, play, essay, or other literary works. This is a paragraph which gives an analytical examination of a poem, story, novel, play, essay, or other literary works. Quotations are often used to support the observations and evaluations made by the writers. Then, how to write a good paragraph? To say a good paragraph should contain simple but complete information about the contents of the paragraph. So, let's now try to understand about the essentials of a paragraph. The first one being a topic sentence. A topic sentence should be there which will attract the attention of the readers so that they continue to read. The topic sentence should also give readers an idea of what is to come in the paragraph. Supporting sentences. This can also be called order of sentences. Supporting sentence should have clear details to support the information given in the paragraph. The supporting details may be in the form of facts, descriptions, and examples that back up the claim made in the paragraph. A concluding sentence should be there at the end of the paragraph. It is important to write a final or conclusion of what has been discussed or described in the entire paragraph. A conclusion will summarize and conclude the information discussed in that particular paragraph. Hope this video is useful for you to understand about a paragraph writing. All the best.